C6 time here, unique specialty and classics. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 3 LT package, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles actual, just a little over 71,000 is all in this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. There is the protective coating on the front of this car, so that's why you don't see a bunch of nicks, dings, or scratches. There's one little one that got into that kind of plastic, I guess, if you will. You can just barely see the line on it right there. So looking good up front. Of course, the LS3 V8 underneath the hood, 6.2 liter, 6-speed automatic transmission with tap shift. And that can be done at 507-386-1726. If you want to check out underside pictures, interior engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Riding on the chrome wheels. Of course, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC underneath the hood. Of course, this is a crystal red exterior, ebony and cashmere leather interior with the 3 LT package. Of course, it's going to be very nicely equipped with the heated seats, heads-up display, Bose stereo system. This one does have an aftermarket that will replace that Bose, so it's a Kenwood, so a little more modern stereo system to this car. Of course, center dump exhaust. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This car will have both tops. Right now we have the smoked top in it, and then it also will have the crystal red top. No, the stand does not go with it. It's just one we have here for display purposes of pictures and videos. But it will be in the trunk of the car as far as the top goes. And you can see that in the pictures, how it mounts in there. So it can be shipped with both tops, one on and one in the trunk area. Check out the still pictures again, uniqueclassiccars.com. And you can see the passenger side, rear of this, not really full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint shows well, as it should. In clean Carfax, you might have a couple little imperfections here or there, but overall, nothing major standing out for nicks, scratches. Just going to take a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to start it up a second so we don't have to listen to that door chime. So as you can see over here, memory seating, of course, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. There's your exact mileage, 71,428. No warning indicators, anything like that on. Check engine light, service engine. Here's that Kenwood aftermarket stereo that has been installed. Dash looks good. Of course, the heads-up display. Heated seats, push button to start. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Now let's take a little closer look at the seats and interior. Of course, power seat over here in the driver's side. And you can see no rips, tears, holes, perforated leather. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. No crazy aftermarket exhaust, it doesn't sound like. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the exhaust system, mufflers, tailpipes. And let's see, let's pop this hood. We can do this one-handed. Hood liner looks good. Does not appear this car has been driven in inclement weather. Look how nice and tidy this engine bay is. Of course, there it is, the LS3 6.2 liter. What, 430 horse, I believe, off the top of my head. and 6-speed automatic transmission with tap shift. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. AC Delco battery. Sounds good, looks good. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed mileage, both tops. 3LT package. And that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase, may be extendable out to 10 years. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette in a dark cherry color. Very nice color. You don't see very many of these. This is an automatic on the center console, so it is easy to drive. And you do have paddle shift up and down capability. These are always fun to drive. Great acceleration, great handling. Let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight in the lane, no vibrations and no jiggles. We have a heads-up display for the speedometer. Great stereo system. All our gauges are working properly. If you do see the lights on the dash flickering, that's just our camera's frame rate. The car is completely fine. Oil pressure is over 40. We have the removable top on this car. Nice leather interior. Beige with black on the inside. Goes really well with that dark cherry exterior. Let's go around the corner. Maybe I'll put the window down and you can see if you can hear the exhaust note a little bit. Great sounding Corvette. Check this 2008 Chevrolet Corvette out at uniqueclassiccars.com.